welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal Chanel, and tonight I figured I would just kind of bring y'all in for a quick glimpse into a product or a styling tool, should I say, that I got off of Amazon that I am absolutely loving. I'm getting ready to start, undressing for the evening. I'm about to take my makeup off, and before I do so, I wanted to just bring you all along with me to see how I preserve this flat iron style that I got on Friday, and today is Tuesday. So I would just want to come and show you, other than pin curling your hair, you do have some other options, and some of them are really affordable that are heatless as well. So if you are interested in seeing how I put my hair up at night for a comfortable sleep, it is secure, it's healthy, I'm keeping all the heat out of it, stay tuned. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just jump straight into it. I want to show you what I found on Amazon that I hadn't really seen anywhere, and I was interested in what it was, so I bought one pack of it. And this is what it actually is right here. It is these foam curlers that are really like foam rollers that we used to use back in the day, except for they look better and they do bend and flex with your hair. So I got I think they only came in this one size. I got the jumbo size, and the good thing about this is all you need is just a roller itself, and it bends to however your curl is. So they are really easy to work with, and that's all I've been using over the past couple of nights to preserve my flat iron curls. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I am going to use my fingers and start off by just sectioning off some big sections so that I can start with this first roller. So all you have to do is take the roller. You can start from your mid strands or at the bottom. It's really up to you how you want to roll your hair, but I normally start a little bit towards the bottom, but not exactly the bottom. Once you get that rolled up, all you need to do is just do that, and they're in for the night. When I say super easy, quick, and user-friendly, it really is. I'm going to do another one in my crown because, as you all know, my hair is pretty fine, so I like to have that volume up here in my crown. So I'm gonna take one more and place that right where I want a little bit of lift for when I take these down tomorrow. Again, I'm just gonna twist it up, as you can see there, and it's done. I usually only use about 5 of these. It doesn't take many for my head of hair. So if you have more of a dense, thicker head or head of hair, what I would suggest is just buying about 2 packs of these. They're really affordable, and these are those rollers that will just last you a very long time, and by the time you look up, you've had them for 5 years. So see how easy that was? All right, I'm gonna do my last 2. And I have one more over here, and I'll be done. Like, my nighttime routine when it comes to putting up my hair is really easy. I don't moisturize and seal my hair at all because I do enjoy wearing my hair down every day. So I do not moisturize and seal. What I do, and you probably, I don't think that I did it on camera, but I'll show you the product that I use just to place on my ends at nighttime. It's a little bit heavier, and sometimes it just depends on my hair feels. That helps me decide what product I'm gonna actually use. So tonight, to just kind of moisturize my ends, I did use the Jisoo honey infused hair oil. You can get this from Sephora. I'm sure they have their own website as well, but this is a really good oil for your hair. It's pretty heavy, so don't go too hard on it, but it's a really nice, luxurious feeling oil. So That's what I used on just the mid strands to the ends of my hair. And then I didn't put it on my roots or anything because, as I mentioned, my hair is fine. So I don't want anything that's gonna weigh my hair down or make it even heavier. So this is all it takes for me to put my hair up at night. This takes me less time than trying to do individual pin curls. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not a pin curl girl. I'm gonna take my hair wrap and I am going to wrap these bad boys up, and then I will be down for the night. So if you are interested in these foam rollers and you want to take back some of your evening and get some of your time back, make sure that you check these out. They are on Amazon and they are only $9.99 a pack. So I will link them below for you if you want to, you know, take a peek at them, read the reviews. Again, they're very affordable and they'll be to you by tomorrow, sis, if you got Amazon Prime. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to bring y'all along very quickly to see what my nighttime routine was for when I want to wear my hair kind of curly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.